Hi, my name is Daniela Bernal. It will be your tourist guide through Cartagena. It is the heart of the Colombian Caribbean. It is located in the department of Bolivar on the shore of the Caribbean Sea. In this place, can you is island is island of Rosario and Baru, while through the Wally City. Enjoy typical foods such as milk in tabaquito with rice. Third typical drink is Asian Cartagena. It is a drink with alcohol and coffee. In Cartagena, the Colombian peso is used in these plastics in restaurants are voluntary and can be 10%. Superstition. Two partition of Cartagena are present in the palace of the Inquisition. The Saitayuk can hear chilling noise of chains dragging on the ground as wind slaves were tried and forced to walk in chains. You can stay in three different places. The one that begs Swiss, your works, for example, the Wallet City downtown are San Diego, Gethsemane Backpacker Zone, Boca Grande, Lusurius are area facilities. If the big season to travel to Cartagena is from mid-January to mid-March, which is when high season is passing.